If you're a content creator or a video creator and you're thinking how to make sounds, how to get all these funny sounds people use on their video on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and the rest, and you'll be thinking how you can get these sounds, how you can use these sounds to spicy your videos. This video is for you. So I want you guys to watch carefully. I'll be showing you how to generate comedy sounds. So what I want you guys to do is go on your Play Store, click on Nigeria Comedy Sounds. Once you search Nigeria Comedy Sound, it will bring out a lot, but I want to show you the most important one, the ones that have what you want and are free to use and free to download. So once you click on Comedy Sounds, you download this one. You go to the app, you open the app, you're going to see the name of the sound and how to download it. Once you see the name and it's what you want, you play it to confirm. Once you confirm, you click the download button. It will download directly into your phone memory or music folder. Once you download it, you can now use it on your video editor like CapCut or InShot or any other video editor you're using. So I'll be showing you guys like two. This other one is the second one. Once you download it too, you can use it to play any kind of funny sounds for Nigerian music. So you just play and verify if it is really what you want. Then you click the download button. It will download directly into your phone. So thank you guys for watching my video today. Keep on watching for more interesting updates and also follow my page. Thank you very much.